Guys, so Bea is still tulog-tulog because he's puyat-puyat kagabi. Naglaro kasi kami 008. Alala niyo pa yung slime video ko. Uy! Uy! You know how to get slime. The ingredients is glue, activator if you have activator. If you don't have activator, just skip it. Activator and I forgot. And mix. So guys, I'm just mixing it. Wait, let me add some more activator. Malagay around here. Here is the activator. Malagay it so much activator. I'm just mixing it because you guys said add some activator. So guys, let me just check for a moment. Okay guys, so this is our final touch. See? So guys, that's the end of the video. Bye bye.